Hello, welcome back to last channel 20 minutes online gym. We are live today. We are doing some activities to throw the beanbag. Hey, check the tornado, guys! Hey, check that tornado, guys! The tornado in the Dartford. When we were trying to do 20 minutes last channel. Hope everything's okay here. On. Good. He comes. Did he actually beat Yunus? Oh! Right, everybody gonna shoot. Let's see which ball goes more further away. Alright, to be fair, we need to make sure the prices go to the right person. I think they're at the moment trying to decide who won all of the races. I'll check the video and correct it.